This is going to be resetting the oil maintenance light for a 2009 Honda Insight. What you're going to need to do first is turn the key to the on position. When it's in the on position, there's a little button right here on the side, and you're going to need to cycle through. So once you cycle through, you'll get your miles, A and B, and then you should get engine oil life. What you can do now is you can hold this down for about 20 seconds, I believe. The screen should change. To reset, now you're going to twist this top button right here, turn it to reset, and then push the reset button in. So push it. Oil life is now reset to 100%. Start the vehicle. It stays the same. And now that's how you reset the oil maintenance light for a 2009 Honda Insight. Thank you for watching.